In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Oanda account to TradingView so you can place trades directly from TradingView's charts using Oanda's execution. Now, this works for both the demo and live accounts, and you don't need any extra software. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the product section on the top corner, and I want you to click the super charts. This will forward you to a new page. You want to make sure that the trading panel is enabled or toggle on, and that can be found on the bottom left corner. Click on the open trading panel. Now we need to connect through our trusted broker, and that's going to be Oanda. Go to the search bar, type in Oanda, and basically there it is. Now here, by clicking the connect button, you can now place, manage, and close trades directly from the TradingView's charts. No need to switch between platforms because Oanda provides reliable, real-time forex pricing, ensuring your TradingView charts stay accurate and synced with your broker. It executes trades with one-click trading. You can drag and drop loss and take profits levels and instantly adjust positions visually on the chart. With that, you have a better risk management because you can easily calculate position size, risk to reward ratios, and of course manage multiple trades efficiently all inside the TradingView with the help of Oanda. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.